All right, now welcome to SE Custom Designs. I want to thank all my new subscribers. We are up to about 605 last count. It's July 1st. And so there you go. It's Monday, July 1st, just before Independence Day here in the United States. So we're looking forward to taking a couple of days off. I am not in the wood shop yet, okay? If you're following me, you know that I need to make a table. And there's my rough plans for said table. That could change. It's the beauty about having a wood shop and just dreaming things up in your head. So if you've been following me, you would have noticed I did a compare on a shop vac to the new, and it's not going to be down here, but my Craftsman vac. Look that up. I compare old technology from 19 years ago, the shop vac. It's how clumsy it is and its pros and cons in the newer styles, which are more lower to the ground. But all right, let's get back to this. So essentially, I already unboxed this guy. This is the Ryobi 1 system from Home Depot. It's an 18 volt reciprocating saw. It touts that it's 40% faster cutting, anti-vibe handle, one-handed blade replacement, battery and charger sold separately, so buyer beware of that. I am very pleased with this. Forgive me, I don't remember exactly what I paid. I think I paid around $69. Now, again, it doesn't come with the battery. So that being said, these batteries are still warm because I just went over and did a little favor for a coworker of mine who shall remain unnamed, and we cut down a tree for them. So it went smooth. It did take 3 batteries to get the main trees down, and the trees were about 7 inches thick, I would say. This guy's really warm. If you're not aware of the technology that goes on, when you put a battery in the Ryobi units here, it has technology built in that says, I won't start charging you if you're hot or cold, like really hot or really cold. And so there you go. These batteries get me through 18 volt lithium, get me through most jobs because I'm not really on a battery tool for that long of a time. I basically just have a few, like 3 or 4 drills. Let me turn my light back on. A little hand palm sander. Look that episode up. Sorry for you guys watching on the big TVs. I have a pin gun, and I don't know what else. About 5 tools. So let's go ahead and take them out. Okay, take them out of the box. I'm going to put you down, actually. I'm going to put you up here, and you're going to thank me for that, right? It's like, Steve, please, I need my Dramamine. All right, so here we go. Unbox it. All right, let's have a look at this bad boy. Manual here. So if this is the first time that you're seeing a demo on this, it's pretty intuitive, okay? Very, very intuitive, like how to change the blade, for example. Okay, lift up on this. Make sure your battery's out, for sure, okay? Pull. Seat, let go. It's locked in, okay? That's as easy as it gets. So let's pull it out because you don't want blades in. All right, and there we go. I think that's it. I am noticing that I don't think that there. Okay. So this little lever went too far. When I opened this up, this inner lever, which locks it, flipped on the other side. So beware of that, like that. Okay, so I want to pull it, push that in, and then put it back. There's your first tip. I just learned about that. All right. Another tip is when you're done using any of these types of tools, blow it out. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in my hose, which if you watch my series, you're going to know. You're going to know that I use that all the time. So blow the dust out, get it ready for the next use. When we read on the box, basically that there's a vibrator cushioner, that's what I'm calling it now, here, built in, so it takes care of some of the vibration. I have to say that it did take care of vibrations. This is my third unit like this, not from Ryobi, but my third one since the 90s. And the first one was plug-in, and the second one was porter cable. Bought the three tools for one, and this is the third one. So it has a lock here, so it locks it from going on. That's always a good idea, right? Right here, the lock. Okay. So it doesn't lock in place while it's on. It's probably a good thing. All right, so it's really basic. You don't really need to read the instructions to take it out of the box and to use it. I believe it has capability with this hex here to reverse the orientation of your blade. So if you want to go up as opposed to down. I don't see myself caring about that, at least at the moment. All right, let's talk about blades. This is not the blade that came with it. All right, this here is, and this episode is not about buying this set from Diablo. I have to say that it did perform for me. This is for going through nails in wood. Okay. So there you go. It got its first use. And with this set, you get this. Let me see if you can see what I'm saying here. 6-inch wood blade. Okay, there we go. Metal, medium, 6-inch. Another medium metal. So 1/16 to 5/16. Okay, put those down. There's another wood, 6-inch. Notice that the teeth are closer together per inch up at the base and farther apart at the end. And here's another 6-inch thick metal. So medium metal, 2 medium metals, a thick metal, a wood. They probably think you're going to use it mostly for wood. Well, they're right in my case. So this is from Diablo, bimetal blade, 612, so 612 TPI, tooth per inch. What else can we say? This is Swiss made. That just brings up the quality of your blade right there. All right, so that's that. Those are the blades that I got, and this is the one again that came with this set that I used. One of the reasons why I used it was not for the nail, coming across nails in wood, but as I said, I was cutting through about 6 or 7 inches of two trunks. All right, so it did the job. Still, like I said, it still feels pretty sharp. Okay. So that's the Diablo set. You know, what's left inside, it's almost like it knew it was bad or something. It stayed inside. This is the standard blade that comes with the unit, with the Ryobi unit. Let's compare it to possibly its equal. So the first thing you'll notice is that the Swiss Diablo has shorter teeth, closer together teeth down at the base, and then they spread out near the end. This is the same distance at the base and at the end. Okay. He has a hook on the end, which I can see coming off. And he has a smaller, very small hook on the end. Interesting. So there you go. A lot more metal to your blade with the Diablo. So there you go. All right. So, I mean, I thought I knew what I had to cut, and I had a feeling that I was going to need more than the standard that comes with the tool. All right, so I want to thank you for watching my review. And so you didn't get to see it in action, because quite frankly I had to just come home from work and get her done. Drive over there and cut those guys down. So just take my word for it. In review, it took me 3 batteries to get the main 2 trunks down, limbs, whatever you want to call it, mini trees, which were about, I'd say 30 feet tall. Taller than that because I pruned it last week. All right, so it took me 3 batteries and I couldn't get through the job. I wanted to then, you know, I started off this high on the branch, on the trees, and I was trying to cut lower to the ground once I got the main ones down, and I only got about 2/3 of the way, and the 3rd battery died. So it would have taken at least 2 batteries, if not 3, to go through that all again. So who knows? Again, you can get, you know, stronger batteries, but this is what I have. All right, thanks for coming into my shop, and encourage you to subscribe to my channel if you like what you saw. Some of my demos are more involved, like when you have a tool like this, planer. Did several intros on this guy. I actually unboxed this guy in a porter cable. For the money, I'll tell you what, for the money, you're getting enough tool here to have an experience with this type of unit, okay? So, all right, thanks for coming. I'm going to let you go. You're in the shops of SC Custom Designs, 12 minutes, 47 seconds at this point. And we love to share what we do. We do things in real time. And so you'll see me make my mistakes, and hopefully not too many. And again, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, thumbs down. If you give a thumbs down, let us know why. We'll try to improve. And that's it. All right, thanks, guys. Take care.